There comes a time in a man's life when something feels different. Not broken, not gone, just different. A moment when the body does not respond with the same strength or consistency it once did. It is quiet, often unexpected, and it leaves a man questioning himself in ways he never shares aloud. If you have felt that shift, you are not alone. And more importantly, you are not stuck with it. What you are experiencing is not age taking something from you. It is simply the body signaling that its natural systems need support. Circulation, nitric oxide, and hormonal balance all change over time, and when they drift, performance and confidence drift with them. These changes are normal and they are fixable. This channel exists for men who want clarity rather than confusion. If you have felt frustrated, embarrassed, or unsure why your body no longer responds the way you expect, you're in the right place. Many men in their 30s, 40s, and 50s quietly carry the same concern while still trying to hold everything together. Work, marriage, stress, responsibility, it all adds up and the body eventually asks for help. The truth is that the issue is rarely a lack of desire or a lack of masculinity. It is biology. When circulation slows, when nitric oxide dips, when stress disrupts the body's natural signals, things feel weaker and less predictable. But these systems can be supported naturally. The body still remembers exactly how to perform. It simply needs the right environment to do what it already knows. This is why natural solutions have become the path so many men trust. They want support that works with the body rather than forcing it. They want something that restores balance instead of masking symptoms. And that is where Forever Ready stands out. It is not about shortcuts or artificial boosts. It is a natural formula designed to support the two areas men struggle with most. Phase 1 focuses on circulation and nitric oxide support. Phase 2 supports healthy libido signaling, stamina, and overall vitality. This makes sense to men because it works with what the body is already trying to do. Research on natural ingredients like horny goatweed shows why men keep coming back to these botanical systems. Some compounds can help support free testosterone availability by allowing the body to use more of what it already produces. Others support circulation and stress resilience. None of these ingredients promise miracles. What they offer is balance, and balance brings confidence back. If you are watching this, you may have experienced moments you never expected. Maybe you hesitated when your partner needed you. Maybe you avoided intimacy because you were afraid of inconsistency. Maybe you felt your confidence slipping in ways you could not explain. These moments leave a mark, especially for men who take pride in being reliable, strong, and connected. You deserve solutions that respect that pride rather than threaten it. This is why so many men are choosing natural formulations like Forever Ready. They want a formula that brings multiple forms of support together. Circulation support, nitric oxide support, natural desire support, adaptogenic ingredients that help the body manage stress. These areas work together, and when they align, a man often feels more like himself again. Not because something new was added, but because something already inside him was finally unlocked. You are not broken. Nothing inside you has failed. Your body simply needs the support it did not need before. When balance returns, confidence follows. When circulation improves and signals strengthen, the mind and emotions settle back into a place of strength and certainty. This is the quiet confidence men miss most, and it is something your body can regain naturally. If you want to explore the natural formula that many men are relying on to support this process, there is a link in the description. Look through the ingredients in Forever Ready, understand the purpose behind each component, and decide if it aligns with the goals you have for yourself. No pressure, just information that helps you make the choice that feels right. You are not losing your masculinity. You are reconnecting with it. Strength, confidence, and performance are not gone. They are simply waiting for the balance your body has been asking for. This is the moment to take control, support your system naturally, and move forward with the certainty you deserve.